Hey y'all, this is Chris with OneSupport.com. Today I wanted to show you how you can improve the performance and speed of your web browsing by using our Browser Optimizer tool inside of the OneSupport desktop tool. The Browser Optimizer tool will delete temporary files, clear your cache, clear your cookies, and improve the speed and performance of your browser by freeing up that space. Before running this tool, you should know that it will clear your saved form data and reset your home page. So the next time you log into your browser, you will need to insert your passwords for Facebook, your email, your credit card information for your online retailers, and things like that. Well, let's go ahead and get started. First, you're going to want to open the OneSupport tool located on your desktop. Once that's open, go ahead and click on the menu icon in the upper right-hand corner and select Troubleshooters. With the Troubleshooters menu open, click on My Computer is Slow in the left-hand column. Then find Browser Optimizer and click on the Execute button. Depending on the amount of cached files you have, this process could take anywhere from 1 minute to 15 minutes. Go ahead and let the Browser Optimizer run. There may be some notifications that pop up that will need your attention, and then once it's finished, it will take you back to the Troubleshooters menu. Well, y'all, that's all I have for you today. If you have any more questions on how you can improve the performance of your computer, I'll have a blog linked down below in the description. And if you have any other questions or comments, feel free to visit us at OneSupport.com or give one of our technology advisors a call at the number on your screen. Thanks for watching.